Stop for a moment. There are so many things people keep saying they will do later. Later, they will become better. Later, they will fix their character. Later, they will spend more time with family. Later, they will stop chasing things that leave the heart empty. Later, they will return to Allah with a heart that is more sincere. Later, later, later. But there's one thing life never promises to give you later. Another day. You can postpone a purchase. You can postpone a journey. You can postpone an argument. You can postpone a plan. You can even postpone a dream. But you cannot negotiate with the amount of time Allah has written for you. And that is why one of the most dangerous words in life is not no. It is tomorrow. Tomorrow sounds harmless. Tomorrow feels guaranteed. Tomorrow makes unfinished things feel acceptable. But how many people once said tomorrow and never reached it? This isn't meant to frighten you. It is meant to wake you up, because life is incredibly strange. A person can spend years planning the life they want while forgetting to live the life they actually have. They save happiness for a future that hasn't arrived. They save kindness for a more convenient day. They save repentance for when they feel ready. They save their best qualities for when life becomes easier. And without realizing it, they keep postponing the person they were capable of becoming. Don't postpone becoming good. Don't wait for the perfect circumstances to become grateful. Don't wait until everyone respects you before you learn humility. Don't wait until life becomes peaceful before you become a peaceful person. Don't wait until you lose something before you appreciate what Allah has already placed in your hands. And most importantly, don't postpone your relationship with Allah, because you don't need a perfect life to turn toward Him. You don't need to become flawless first. You don't need to have everything figured out. You simply need to begin. One sincere moment, one act of obedience, one decision to leave something harmful. One moment of remembering Allah instead of allowing the world to consume your attention. These moments may look tiny, but your entire life is made from tiny moments. A lifetime is not handed to you all at once. It is quietly given to you in pieces called today. And every morning, another piece is placed in your hands. You don't know how many pieces remain. That should not make you live in fear. It should make you live with purpose. Call the person you keep meaning to call. Say the kind word you keep swallowing. Forgive where forgiveness is better. Apologize where your pride has been holding you back. Give when you are able. Help when you can. Leave what you know is damaging your soul. And turn back to Allah before later becomes a word you no longer have the opportunity to use. There's another beautiful thing about time. You cannot go backward, but you can change what you do with what remains. Maybe yesterday was wasted. Maybe last year was filled with mistakes. Maybe there are choices you wish you could erase. Don't spend today's opportunity mourning yesterday so intensely that you waste today too. Allah has given you this moment. Use it. The past can teach you. It cannot be lived again. The future can inspire you. It cannot be guaranteed, but this moment is real. So don't postpone the things that matter most, because one day there will be no "I'll do it tomorrow." No more waiting for the right mood. No more saying when life settles down. No more assuming there will always be another opportunity. And on that day, what will matter will not be how many things you manage to postpone. It will be what you actually did with the time Allah gave you. So if this found you today, don't simply agree with it. Let change one thing. Do one good thing you've been postponing. Make one change you have been avoiding. Return to Allah with sincerity. Tell someone you love them. Give someone your forgiveness. Use the hour you have instead of dreaming about the years you might have. Because you can postpone almost everything. Accept the responsibility of living the life Allah has given you before your time runs out.